Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Hello, how you doing? So today we're going to make this curry of heart, liver and kidney. It is absolutely fantastic. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what we have here is 400 grams each of kidney, heart and liver. I'm using lamb or mutton. You could mix them up. You could put beef and lamb together if you wanted something like that. 1 cup of yogurt or curd. Quite a lot of chili. I've got, maybe 6 or 7 chilies there. You can see the amount, but you can adjust it as you want. 2 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon garlic ginger paste. What we're going to do is we're going to give all of that a little mix. Now, some people with the liver, for example, and even the kidneys would clean them maybe in some lemon juice or some vinegar. You can do that if you want. I haven't done it. Right, garlic ginger paste. The chili, I recommend quite a lot, to be honest. Salt, pepper, garam masala powder, and then 1 cup of yogurt or curd. Now, it's probably a good idea to just give it a little whisk to get the lumps out, Okay, what we're going to do is give this a mix, and then simply we're going to cover this, and it's going to go in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. Okay, so I've got 3 tablespoons of oil there. I'm using a corn oil. You could use a different one if you want. In goes 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and 2 dried red chilies. And as you can hear and see, we're on quite a high heat. We're now going to add 1 cup of onion, and we're going to go for about 4 minutes, stirring all the time. Wonderful. Next up, tomatoes. About 2 cups of tomatoes. In they go. About 5 minutes now. Really want those tomatoes to cook right down. Keep it moving. Fabulous. Okay, next up, some powders. We're going to go 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 coriander, 1 cumin, 2 chili. And now, in goes all our mixture. Stay on a fairly lively heat. We're going to go now for 6 or 7 minutes. Keep it moving. That is absolutely amazing. Okay, now I'm going to add 1 whole pepper here. So I've got half red and half yellow. Use green or a different color if you want. We're going to lower the heat to a simmer and then just let this go for another 4 minutes. Really good stuff, really good. Fantastic. Okay, off goes the heat. That is cooked perfectly. Check it for salt, it's going to be fine. Nice big handful of cilantro or coriander in the mix. Let me get that on a plate. All right, and there she blows. That is wonderful, wonderful stuff, really. Nice and spicy, but smooth with that curd or yogurt in there. Anyway, I hope you enjoy that. I'll see you really soon. You take care. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.